In this video, we'll walk you through the process of activating Crunchyroll on your streaming device, whether it's Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, PS4, or Xbox. Just follow these simple steps to enjoy all your favorite anime shows. 1. Roku. Step 1. Install the Crunchyroll app. Go to the Roku home screen and select Streaming Channels. Search for Crunchyroll in the channel store. Select Add Channel to install the app. Step 2. Open the Crunchyroll app. Once installed, go back to your home screen and open the Crunchyroll app. Step 3. Log in or sign up. You'll be prompted to log in or create a new account. If you already have a Crunchyroll account, just log in with your username and password. Step 4. Activate Crunchyroll. After logging in, you'll see an activation code on the screen. On your phone or computer, visit www.crunchyroll.com/activate. Enter the activation code from your Roku device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation. 2. Apple TV. Step 1. Install the Crunchyroll app. On the Apple TV home screen, go to the App Store. Search for Crunchyroll and install the app. Step 2. Open Crunchyroll. Once installed, launch the Crunchyroll app from your home screen. Step 3. Log in or create an account login with your existing Crunchyroll account or sign up for a new one. Step 4. Activate Crunchyroll. You'll see an activation code on the screen. On your computer or phone, go to www.crunchyroll.com, activate. Enter the code and follow the prompts to complete the activation process. 3. Fire TV. Step 1. Install Crunchyroll. Go to the home screen on your Fire TV and select the Find option. Search for Crunchyroll and select it to install. Step 2. Launch Crunchyroll. After the app is installed, open Crunchyroll from your apps list. Step 3. Log in. Enter your Crunchyroll account credentials to log in. Step 4. Activate Crunchyroll. You will be shown an activation code. On a web browser, visit www.crunchyroll.com. Activate. Input the activation code and complete the activation steps. 4. PS4. Step 1. Install Crunchyroll. Go to the PlayStation Store on your PS4. Search for Crunchyroll and select Download. Step 2. Open Crunchyroll. Once installed, go back to the home screen and open the Crunchyroll app. Step 3. Log in. Enter your Crunchyroll account credentials to sign in. Step 4. Activate Crunchyroll. An activation code will appear. Visit www.crunchyroll.com, activate on your phone or computer. Enter the activation code and follow the instructions. 5. Xbox. Step 1. Install Crunchyroll. Open the Microsoft Store on your Xbox. Search for Crunchyroll and select Get to install. Step 2. Open the Crunchyroll app. After installation, go to My Games and Apps and open Crunchyroll. Step 3. Log in or create an account. If you already have an account, log in. Otherwise, create a new account. Step 4. Activate Crunchyroll. The app will display an activation code. On your browser, go to www.crunchyroll.com. Activate. Enter the code and complete the activation steps. Now you're ready to enjoy Crunchyroll on your Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, PS4, or Xbox. Simply follow these steps, and you'll have access to all your favorite anime in no time. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Happy watching!